Today, we'll show you how Fluix helps automate your Take 5 safety inspections. From the engineer in the field to supervisor sign-off to secure form storage, all in just a few simple steps. We'll start with two key components built in Fluix: the Take 5 safety inspection form, created using the Form Builder, and a fully customizable workflow built in the Workflow Builder. This workflow routes the form from the engineer to the supervisor and then automatically uploads the completed inspection to your chosen storage. The engineer starts the inspection by completing the Take 5 form. First, stop and think. Are they mentally prepared? Next, assess the environment. Is the area well lit and safe? Then, personal protective equipment. Is all gear in good condition? After checking tools and equipment, the engineer adds a digital signature and completes the form. The supervisor is instantly notified, opens the task, reviews the inspection, confirms all safety protocols are met, and signs off. Once approved, the completed form is automatically uploaded to your storage of choice, whether that's Fluix storage, Google Drive, SharePoint, and more. And that's it. That's how Fluix connects your entire audit trail from engineer to supervisor in one smooth, automated, real-time workflow. To find out more, book your demo now at sales@fluix.io. Field work done right with Fluix.